Push. Push.
Ay, tornado here. Come here.
Whoa.
So, welcome again to our channel and muna mong haul sa Big Bad Wolf and
Wow!
So,
What are the 8 planets?
what are the 8 planets? Go!
Mercury, Venus,
Earth?
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Yeah!
Mubay ka niyag Cinderella. Sige, dali. Choose here. How about this one, Saturn? Han, gano'n ko pa itagang yan.
Nice.
Huh? Animals, no?
It's so windy, right?
This one, oh. What do you like, Saturn?
What do you like?
Our PJ
PJ Masks!
So let's check if there's PJ Masks, okay?
Okay, let's check. Yes! How about books about thunder
Tornado.
and tornadoes? You like?
And lava.
And lava. Not lava, not guava. Yay!
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go! You say, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah. We found this.
Oh, what's that? Oh, there's a butterfly, but I found something too. Let's go to G.
I'll go to the one.
Ah, dere? May cover sila.
Carlo eh. Pang baby. Pang up. Naman sila kan.
that book. Balitan niyo ha?
Tingnan mo siya.
Yeah.
Flap, di siya. Flap.
Thank you. Here lang? Sorry, I forgot. That's fine.
Muna mong haul sa Big Bad Wolf. Mostly kay Saturn. Again, wala kayo nakuha sa, wala ko napalit sa comic section, novel, ano na siya, something. So, maybe, after naman mag-close, so maybe we can go back there and find something for FR and ako. So, right now, we're going to show sa muna palit.
Encourage everyone to use reusable bags, eco bags, such as that.
Okay, Saturn, come here. So, kung sa ganun siya nga bukan,
4D, 3D, 4D books, augmented reality book.
yes. And when Saturn, kita siya nga katong naay app. I think you can, it's a free app. You can download. Move siya ang katong mga characters. Na siya sound. So, ganahan kayo siya. So, kaning nga book is The Wheels on the Bus. So, okay, so next is same gyapon. Actually, the name of the app name you can download for free is Hippo Magic, right?
Yeah.
So, mani siya, Hippo Magic, and ni-on po si Saturn sa The Three Little Pigs. Pigs. And
Excuse me, Saturn. Yeah, counting.
1, 2, 3.
Oopsie.
And same na gyapon, 4D gyapon siya. So, you got 3 books. Oh, napadayla iti ay. So, napay
ABC.
Right Ryan. So, actually, mo kay bawaan eh. Wala ko kay bawaan eh.
Excuse
Wala ko kay bawaan
me.
eh.
Excuse me, Saturn. Oh, look at that. What's that, Daddy?
Wow!
Wow, what's the book?
Saan eh? So, next is, the basics, ABCs, for the gihapon. So, we got 5 augmented reality books. So, that's it. For Saturn, naay pirate sticker chest.
Wow, is that a sticker, Daddy?
You like stickers, right?
Yeah, and he also likes treasure box.
Treasure box.
Yeah. Like katong video sa VIP day sa Big Bad Wolf kay treasure box mo to yung sighag.
If you find a treasure box.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hala, he expected na there's a treasure box. Wala man
so-
ang mugibay ang treasure box kasi we prioritize this book.
This one,
Wait,
space.
saan niya? Someone's
Treasure
calling.
box. Oh,
So, ato remove.
Yeah, let's open it.
Oopsie.
okay.
You want to open it, Saturn?
So, check the stickers.
Saturn?
Let's go to the
Treasure.
treasure box.
Can you show us what's inside?
Go.
Please
Show
open
to
it.
mommy.
Please open.
Wow, more stickers.
Wow, what's that? And how
Oh, sit
how
down,
much
sit down,
is
sit
it?
down. Okay.
How much was it, Han?
It's 120.
Wow. Let me see, let me see. Wow. Let's open, let's open. What's inside? Wow, it's a pirate.
Whoa,
What's this
treasure
one?
box?
So it's an activity book. And wow, Saturn, look! Treasures! Where are the stickers?
There's the stickers.
Is this a sticker? Oh, this is a sticker. These are stickers.
It's nice sticker.
Yeah. Why did you close it?
Close it. Close it.
Wow. So you get stickers and put it here. Wow, activity book sa siyahan. These are stickers. Kani stickers ni sila tanan. Oh, here's the pirate. Oh, find the treasure. Can you find it?
I found it.
Pero ganahan pa dyan siya sa yung Wilson na ba.
The treasure.
Okay, so next, actually wala ko kadungog ano yung Witch and Wizard, but ito si FR and it's good for 90 pesos. Hindi siya physics for Rockstar, so ano na kayo kay FR ni siya, so quirky siya, geeky, quirky nga book.
Quick.
So, di ko na mabasa kay
Chum.
di kayo wala visual, so para kay FR gini siya, so play more on photos to go. Kani siya for Mommy FR,
Yeah.
journaling for the inspired artist. So, and kani siya mo ni among last book nga ni Go Jud Me, ni Asa FR kung palito nga ba't kita man mi sa sample, and it's really nice and I'm going to open it. This is the last book nga among napalit. Last book yun siya, actually kay morning book nga among gipalit before mi ni ato sa
Check out.
counter.
Yeah.
So, again, it's $2.90. So, let's open it. Let's open it.
Yeah, Saturn is very excited.
Saturn.
Oh.
Kinsa ni?
Who's that?
Kinsa ni?
Who's that? Wow, look at the book.
Got the book. Come here.
Dali. Daddy's opening it. Look. What's that? Look,
Saturn,
Tatay,
what's
look.
planet? Saan nga planet? Okay.
Tatay, look.
So, lift the... Wow!
Wow.
So,
What are the 8 planets?
What are the 8 planets? Go!
Mercury, Venus,
Earth?
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Yay! When I 2 years old.
Proud daddy.
Proud kayo.
The Google!
So you have to look at that Saturn. Look, Saturn, look.
Halok man ko mo ano yun mo.
Flip.
Mo flap.
Look.
Lift the flaps. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, is this a tornado?
You have to fold it, Manjudan. You fold it.
Fold it.
Wow. What's that?
Saturn. Muna si Saturn ko, pangutan ano siya 8 planets. Ako sana gina niya, hindi niya balik-balik.
Pero kalimtan dyan yung Earth, so dapat i-remind siya sa Earth.
Earth, yung ginakalitan ng Earth. Sa tanang planet Earth, yung kalimtan.
I get the books!
Sala!
Okay.
Get the books!
What planet is this?
I get the books!
The books.
What's the next page? Next
Next
page.
page, next page.
There's a nice one there.
Hindi kayo bato yung itag background niyo.
Sun. Oh, it's around the sun.
Yeah! Next page. Wow! There's a rocket!
Rocket! And Earth!
And Mars.
Yeah! Ay,
This
that's
is
moon.
Mars. Is this the Mars?
Moon.
It's the moon.
There's a moon.
Yes. Wow! It's a tornado.
It's not a
A
tornado.
tornado! The tornado!
Is this
That's a
tornado?
black hole.
Black hole. Mommy will explain it to you.
Yeah, later.
Tornado.
How about this one?
Wow, it's a moon.
It's a moon.
Very big. Nada?
Ulo eh.
Ala, hindi ito. I'm sorry. Wow!
Oh, tornado.
Vor?
Vor?
No.
Vortex.
No, that's not the tornado and the
It's not
that's the
tornado.
galaxy.
It's a galaxy. How about this one? What's this?
It's Earth.
No, it's
No,
the sun. The core of the sun.
It's sun.
Yes, Tor.
Yeah.
Oh, around the sun. Around the sun. Oh, it's right. It's right.
Asteroid.
Asteroid.
Rocks.
Yeah,
The
rock.
two rocks.
The asteroids are rocks. Where's Mercury?
Where's Mercury?
Oh, they found it.
No, that's Jupiter.
It's Jupiter.
Daddy, teach Saturn where Mercury is.
Come here.
Start there.
Don't let the daddy. Look.
Moon. So where's the Mercury?
Look.
Where's the Mercury? In the drugstore.
Two rocks.
That's Mercury.
That's Mercury.
Mercury.
Where's the Venus?
Next one. The next one is
That's the
Venus.
Venus.
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Yay! Oopsie, careful.
No, it's Julian
No,
No,
the
it's giant
sun.
sun.
Around the sun.
Yeah.
Around the earth. Around the earth.
So open it, B. Let me see what are inside.
Planets.
Are those planets also?
Whoa, this is the sun. And this is?
It says Mercury.
Oh,
good.
very good. How about this one?
It's Mercury.
It's Venus.
It's Venus. Oh, it's two rocks. It's one Earth. Oh, the outer space.
You like that book?
Whoa,
Outer space daw.
outer space.
You know, come on, there's like outer space. He knows outer space.
Yeah. Oh, the vortex.
That's not a vortex.
The tornado.
That's a Milky Way galaxy.
tornado.
That's not a tornado.
Tornado. Around the
Yay!
circle. Oh, another tornado.
That's a galaxy.
So right now, atong i-try ang The Wheels on the Bus na book. Lingaw kini siya.
Hello there. I'm getting ready to start my workday. I'm a bus driver. I have lots of passengers to pick up today. Oh, look. There's one of my passengers now. Hello, Ms. Bus Driver. Hello, Mr. Elephant. You're right on time. Oh, but wait. I think we're missing something.
Wow, there's a bus. Let's
We
open
can't
it.
drive around town without you.
Wow.
Why don't you join us on our bus ride today?
Oh, there's the other side. Wow, look at that, Saturn.
Lingawa ani oy.
It's very fun. That was nice, yan. Nalingaw lang.
Nilutan niya eh.
Ayan. Pwede mo na ni Mayana, oh, para makita mo sila. Makita mo sila.
Swish. Ang tato down. I-click daw tani yung wiper. Lingawa.
Nalingaw na ang tiguwang. That's it. So, open on shop. So, click daw na.
So, amazing ani nga app og ang book eh. Wala ka nang... O may nani panahon sa una eh. Sa una kay Pugson na basag libro. So, that's for now. Sa kaning nga vlog. So, thank you. May isan nga makavisit mo sa Big Bad Wolf. Kay last day na nila this coming August 26. And
They're open 24 hours. You can
24
go
hours. So, sa
anytime.
mga nag-work, pwede mo kadto kadlawon 12 AM to 1 and kamo kung doon niyo nga oras para mo shop for books, it's really good for the kids. I mean, di lang kayo sa tanan. Dako wide kay ang genre for the books. So, thank you. Sa mga pa ka-like or subscribe sa channel, please do. And thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Saturn. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, look at this cell phone. Ang ganda.
Tornado maker.
Okay, tornado. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.